Back to school means back to busy, y'all. And I'm gonna help alleviate your pain. We're gonna cook one thing and eat 3 times off of it. 3 individual recipes from 1 protein. It's gonna be some good groceries. Well, let's get started. That's some good groceries. So as you can see here, I got just a standard pack of chicken thighs. Yes, I like doing chicken thighs for this. Chicken thighs hold up really good. And so that's what we're gonna do. And to do these, just gonna take them out of their package, put them onto a cutting board. These are skinless, boneless chicken thighs. We're not gonna do a whole lot of craziness to this. Well, again, we're making this easy. Now, seasoning wise, I go real neutral. I like to use this regular old Blackstone Essentials blend. It's just got, well, your essentials. Got your salt, got your pepper, got your garlic, onion, that kind of thing, okay? So we have all of our chicken thighs here, and I'm just gonna come in and season them up really well. All right, once you got all your chicken thighs nice and seasoned, we're gonna head over to the Blackstone. Go ahead and pre-warm that on a low to maybe a low medium heat, all right? Chicken thighs are nice and seasoned. Blackstone is on a nice low medium heat. I'm gonna do a little avocado spray. This is my clean glove, and I'm just gonna lay these onto the griddle. You hear that sizzle? You want to make sure you hear that. I go low to medium heat here, y'all, because chicken thighs generally need a little bit hotter temperature to be done, and so you wanna go at it at a slower pace. We're gonna let these chicken thighs go for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna do a little cleanup. I'll come right back. Once we have the chicken onto the griddle, we're just gonna flip these about every 3-4 minutes or so here. And the color you're looking for is about like this right here. You want to take chicken thighs a little bit hotter. 165 is technically done. Chicken thighs can go a little bit hotter and it'll still be fine. Now, I like to go kind of in between a 165 and a 185 because we're using these chicken thighs again later. So once they're about 170, 175, I'm taking these chicken thighs off, put those into an aluminum pan and going to set those to the side. Once they're set to the side, just going to clean our griddle off because we got 3 amazing recipes that you're going to want to make for those busy back to school dinners. Just like that, we're back in business. Just a little bit of elbow grease and a little scraper, paper towels, and your Blackstone's nice and clean. All right, recipe number 1. Number 1, chicken bacon ranch flatbread pizza. We're doing ease here, y'all. It's all about ease. And this ready bacon that you can get in the supermarkets, super, super easy, super, super awesome. And you can put it in the microwave. I put it straight onto the griddle. Doesn't need long at all. We're gonna get these started. All right, so while the bacon is cooking, we'll go ahead and cut up our chicken thighs. I'm gonna use 2 thick chicken thighs, which I don't think I'm gonna need 2, but just gonna do a nice little bite-sized dice. You wanna do strips, do strips. Just do it however you like. Okay, that's good. Okay, check on our bacon. Perfect, perfect. All right, bacon is done. Just gonna put it over here onto our cutting board. Wanna go ahead and chop our bacon up as well. We got our chicken and we got our bacon. Now, time to make a flatbread. So we got this bacon grease right here. Good stuff, okay? We're gonna use it. This is just naan bread. Get this, you know, in your grocery store. Everybody has them. There's a top and then there's a bottom. So the bottom's nice and flat. That's what we're gonna use as our bottom. But the tops, we're gonna toast those beforehand and put it right into that bacon grease. This right here is gonna make a nice base. It's going to also help melt the cheese, but we wanna make sure both sides are kind of hot. Let's see where we're at. Oh, it's looking real good. That's perfect right there. All right, got a nice toast. Now, chicken bacon ranch. Doing a base of, this is just jalapeno ranch. Use whatever ranch you like. Pour it a good mix in there, just like that. I'm gonna take my spoon, there we go. Use whatever cheese you like. This is just a low moisture mozzarella cheese. Now I got some kind of bougie 4 cheese gourmet, cause I'm gourmet, all right? Just a little bit more. I'm gonna come over our chicken, just like that. Bacon, yeah boy, come on with it. Use whatever ratios you like. You want 10 pieces of bacon on that thing, you put 10 pieces of bacon on that thing. Straighten these things up just a little bit here. I'm gonna take my big dome, not this one, and it's gonna put it over our pizzas. That's just gonna create a nice, better convection. You wanna cut these middle burners off. Just gonna let that residual heat just kind of carry over. If you wanna add a little bit of steam inside of there, more than welcome to, which I might do that. It's gonna help really melt that cheese. Let's see what we got, you ready? Woohoo, boy, cheese is melting nicely. Let me look to see up under. Woo. Nice crust forming. I think we'll go just a little while longer. Might even put some more cheese on this dude. Listen, I want this thing cheesier than me. We'll squirt just a little bit more water on this. Once that cheese is nice and melty, we should be good to go. All right, it's been another about 2 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, my word. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. That crust, you wanna see the crust? Nice and crispy. Get our cutting board, and just like that, and just like that, my friends. And there you have it. That is chicken bacon ranch flatbreads, lickety split. Recipe number 2 is just as easy as recipe number 1. Again, just use a little bit of this avocado spray. Let the supermarket do the work for you. We're using these frozen 3-pepper onion blend. Put a little bit of those down. Listen, I'm telling y'all, nobody will know these were frozen vegetables. We'll get those onto our griddle. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Essentials blend. Once your peppers are kind of thawed and starting to cook a little bit, we're gonna take our cubed up chicken and add right to that. That's about 2 of those chicken thighs diced up. To that, we're gonna add some of this citrus mojo. All right, after about 3 minutes, everything's done. The chicken was already done. The vegetables really just need to be warmed through and tossed with the chicken and some seasonings. I wanna slide that over. Little cooler spot over there. We'll slide that right there. Now we're gonna make our quesadillas. I got 2 large quesadillas I want to make. Now, let me know down below, are you a folded quesadilla or do you stack, put your stuff on one and then put another tortilla on top, then flip? I like to fold. I'm a folder, all right? So what I like to do first, I like to put cheese down first. This is queso quesadilla cheese. Melts really nice, just like that. A little bit of cheese there. I'll take our filling, our cheese, our chicken, our veggies. Man, that smells good. That citrus mojo smells really good too. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna fill these suckers up. I want these things thicker than a Snicker, all right? Take some more cheese. If you wanna add other stuff in here, go right ahead. Again, we're doing easy weeknight dinners. Just gonna take this, fold it over. Take this, fold it over. All right. Hey, while we're waiting on these tortillas to crisp up, hey, I'd love for you to hit that thumbs up button. Would love to have you subscribe as well. Leave me a comment. Would love to interact with you. Let me know how this cook's going. Let me know what you might like to see next. All right, let's flip these over. Oh yeah, boy, look at that thing. Boy, she's a beauty. All right, guys, our tortillas, nice and golden brown. Just gonna lay these right there. That's recipe number 2. Let's go to number 3, y'all. It's a banger. Last but not least, and this is my favorite, chicken fried rice. Yes, chicken fried rice. We're gonna make this so simple. Start out with the spray. I like onions with my chicken fried rice or my fried rice. What are we doing? We're letting the supermarket help us out again. Frozen onions. You want peas and carrots? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today, we are. Just a few peas and carrots. We diced up our chicken breast. Want to get that onto the griddle right there. All right, while this is cooking and heating up, we're gonna make our sauce for our fried rice. And I start out with about half a cup of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. That dark soy sauce, y'all, it's gonna bring some nice color. Not much flavor, but color. Gonna add some hoisin sauce and also just a little bit of MSG. Hey, this is totally optional, the MSG. If you don't want it, that's fine. Just give that a nice mix in your bowl and set that to the side. Let's give this chicken a little bit of boost here. We're gonna use a little bit of this island stir fry from Blackstone. Put a little bit of that in our chicken, a little bit of that in our veggies. Listen, our veggies don't really need a lot. We're gonna send that over to this cooler side of the griddle, right over here to the right. Chicken, all it needs is a little bit of warm through. We're gonna send that up to the front. Now, again, we're letting the supermarket do the work for us. We're gonna do ready jasmine rice. Works so easy, works so well. And I'm gonna use 3 packages of that. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this. So what do you think so far? Is these not simple or what? I mean, the supermarket's doing pretty much all the work. Our rice is pretty much good. Just gonna put our rice right there. We're not done. Use a little bit of avocado oil. Love the eggs in my fried rice. We're gonna do fried eggs. 2 eggs. No tricks here, y'all. Get it nice and hard. All right. Give our rice a little mixy. All right. Let's start adding some stuff. Hey, it's pretty much done. Add a little bit of chicken, a little bit of our vegetables. Let's see what we got. I can go ahead and tell you, we're just gonna add all this chicken. Why not? And the vegetables. Eggs. Pretty much done. That right there is a load of goodness. All right, we got this nice, lovely sauce. But this is what I like to do. I like to make a little well right here. Pour this into that well. What that does is it starts to reduce. That reduce helps the flavors, all right? It's going at a nice leisurely pace. You can see them bubbling. Perfect. You can see that dark soy sauce really darkens up that rice. All right, eggs. I always like to add eggs. Some people will add their eggs, then their sauce. It's however you want to do it. I like to add the eggs at the end. Got us a nice bowl. Put a heaping load of this fried rice in it. There we go. That, my friends, is chicken fried rice the easy way. All right, guys, well, here we are. Everything is done. We just got to give this a try now. Try a little bit of this fried rice. Fried rice. A little quesadilla. Don't mind if I do. Thank you very much. One of these chicken bacon ranch. Thank you very much. What am I going to try for? I'm going to try this chicken bacon ranch first. I'm going to try a little bit more of this ranch that I put on there. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. You hear that crunch? That's so good. Crust of the naan bread got very, very crispy. Cheese, nice and creamy. Bacon, smoky, bacony goodness. Mmm. Those chicken thighs, things are something else too, y'all. Mmm. Quesadilla. Quesadilla. I like dipping a little bit of this taco sauce. Oh man. Mmm. I just love quesadillas. Meaty, the vegetables, love the onions and peppers. This is good. Mmm. So good. Last but not least, fried rice. Cheers, y'all. Oh man. Soy sauce, tastes a little bit of that sweetness from the hoisin. This is a great fried rice. Can't go wrong with any one of these. Y'all, I appreciate you sticking around. This was quite a bit, but hey, if you do that one step of cooking those chicken thighs before, you got the rest of the week pretty much planned. So hey, I appreciate you again for stopping by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.